I'd like to share with you the new approach for switching windows between multiple windows on your Windows desktop PC, for example. Because for a long time I have used conventional Alt-Tab way. But if you have many windows opened, you can't navigate between them so easily and quickly as it could be done with the new approach I have recently discovered. And I wanna tell you about now. This approach is pretty easy to handle and surprising in action, because the only thing you need to do is to choose what programs you need the most. You need most often. Let's say you have 3 to 5 such programs you often launch. So choose those programs and just pin them to the taskbar, usually on the bottom of the screen. And now consider which of those programs would be the first one, which would be the second, and so on. Because the next thing is that you can open those programs' windows or make it be visible on the foreground with one simple keyboard shortcut. Windows logo key plus the number which represents the position of the program on the taskbar. So let's say you pin, for example, Microsoft Word as the first item on the taskbar and Microsoft Excel as the second item on the taskbar. And now, regardless of how many programs you have opened now at the moment, regardless of many multiple windows on your desktop, clutter, you can at any given moment make the window of Microsoft Word, for example, visible on the foreground anytime with a simple keyboard shortcut, Windows logo key plus the number 1, because you have pinned Word as the first item on the taskbar. And as this example, the same way with Microsoft Excel as the second item on the taskbar, you can make it visible on the foreground Excel window using a shortcut Windows logo key plus the number 2, and so on and so on. Of course, it depends on you which program will be the first one, which will be the second, and so on. From my experience, it looks like this approach for switching between multiple windows is easier and faster than the traditional one with Alt-Tab shortcut. And I'm very happy about this way of handling multiple windows, making my workflow more pleasant, more convenient. So I hope that it will be useful for you too.